jet. One of these wash machines don't turn on because we're in Home Depot. This is Nathan from Nathan Washers. And this one's a liquid detergent. These are so nice. I already saw these don't work. Look at this one. This one's nice.
You gotta be careful.
Alright.
Oh, I love this one.
Look at this. The thing cute.
Don't.
Look at this one. The wash tower is kind of the best.